send for something to prevail. All of life will flee to see when they hear his whistle blow. Roaring over mountain heights, Machehee will go, hunting for a beast to feast. Or through the valley he went, following the footsteps and the tracks left in the sand. Machehee came to a stop, he heard his prize's call. He locked his aim, spent his bow, and saw his target fall. Oh, Machehee, Machehee, oh, guide us in the night. Machehee, Machehee, lead us to the fight. Machehee, Machehee, a savior at best. Machehee, Machehee, the rider of the West. Machehee returned home, delivering his fame. His tribe was awaiting him and calling out his name. The feast began in the night, and all will dance and sing, honoring the hero and the treasures that he brings. Soon he'll set out to rise and take the desert lands, provide for his family and the tribe that he'll defend. All of men fear for him as he puts them through the test. The spirits are with Machehee, the rider